Welcome back here with us on Times Now, and our focus continues to be the latest update coming in from the northeastern part of the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Manipur. A short while ago, he addressed the people there in Imphal and he gave the message of peace. He urged all the communities to ensure there is peace, because that is going to be extremely important for the future of the state and for the future of the people. And we have now some more breaking inputs coming in. In fact, while addressing the people of Manipur, Prime Minister Modi also gave a message to Nepal. Remember, Sushila Karki has taken oath as Nepal's interim Prime Minister and is set to lead the government there. And here's what the Prime Minister had to say.
आज मणिपुर की इस धरती से मैं नेपाल के मेरे साथियों से भी बात करूंगा। हिमालय की गोद में बसा नेपाल भारत का एक मित्र है, करीबी दोस्त है। हम साझा इतिहास से जुड़े हैं, आस्था से जुड़े हैं, साथ मिलकर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। मैं आज नेपाल में अंतरिम सरकार की प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में पदभार संभालने पर 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों की तरफ से श्रीमती सुशीला जी को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। मुझे विश्वास है कि वे नेपाल में शांति, स्थिरता और समृद्धि का मार्ग प्रशस्त करेगी। नेपाल की पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में सुशीला जी का आना महिला सशक्तिकरण का वह बहुत उत्तम उदाहरण है। मैं आज नेपाल में ऐसे हर एक व्यक्ति की सराहना करूंगा जिसने ऐसे अस्थिरता भरे माहौल में भी लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों को सर्वोपरि रखा।
Mohit Bhatt is now joining us on the phone line for more on this. Mohit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also speaking on the issue of Nepal, an important message there on a day when Sushila Karki has taken oath as Nepal's interim Prime Minister.
Well, yes, in fact, and you see, Nepal is our immediate neighbor, and an unstable Nepal or a violent Nepal is not good for the country. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the morning also put out a social media post congratulating Sushila Karki on becoming the interim Prime Minister, and also hailed that this is the message of women empowerment. And Prime Minister speaking at a rally in Manipur also gives out a larger message that the importance India holds for Nepal, and how the Prime Minister spoke about the same culture, same faith, same ethos that India and Nepal share. And he also congratulated Sushila Karki and said that this is a larger message of women empowerment, that she has become the first women Prime Minister of Nepal. And we know for a fact that how Nepal was marred with violence from past many days against corruption, against various other issues, against nepotism. So finally the regime change happened, but then the questions were being raised about India's relation with Nepal, how exactly that will pan out. But PM has given out a clear message from a public rally that how he respects Sushila Karki becoming the interim Prime Minister, and how India and Nepal share same culture, same ethos, same traditions. So clearly, Prime Minister holds importance to Nepal, and Nepal is our immediate neighbor, and we have had the relations with Nepal from centuries. So perhaps that is why this message is also very, very important. Back to you.
All right, Mohit, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs.